What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. So first off, before I get into the video, join my Discord and Telegram group down below in the pinned comments or in the description either. Last video, YouTube deleted my pinned comment for some reason, for spam and stuff like that on my own video, which is kind of weird, but let's get into the video. So here, as you know, if you're a subscriber of mine, which you should, because I make like 5 predictions and they're all right so far, so subscribe. So basically, I made a video yesterday covering Binamon Go, and it was around the price of like basically nothing. It was like 0.001 or something like that. So let's check out on now. I haven't checked it. Actually, I did check it for like a few seconds, but I don't remember the number anymore or something. But I remember like how high it went up, like 40% or something. So yeah, 49%. So look at this. I made the video just yesterday. Right now it is 27th August. So whereas 26th August, like somewhere around this mark, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So that's when I made my video, and as you can see, just look at this, my guy. Look at that. 50% up. Market cap just went crazy. You can just tell by the market cap here. 50% up. Everything. Volume 30%. You know, you should definitely follow me if you want more stuff like this. I mean, I've done like 3 Mobox or 2 Mobox predictions. They went up. CryptoZone went up. Everything going up. So now that we're done with that, if you want proof, just check my other video. I'll like link it at the top right of the video right now. So here we have a new game, or not new game. It's fairly dated. It's not that new. So it came out on June 30th, and it's picked up since August 19th. So I'm a bit late, but I mean, right now it's went down a bit after that sudden increase. So we can go for another one. I don't know. This is called Binamon or Binamon or something like that, and it's already quite popular, I'd say. If you want, you can check out their community, which is their Twitter right here. And they're launching their game on August 28th, which is tomorrow. So expect a spike or something, you know, like maybe it's from my video, maybe it contributes to this also. So like the launch will make a spike, and also with my little prediction or video or whatever, because it seems like it's been happening all the time. So here is binamon.org or org, and it's not .com or anything, so watch out. And it's a play to earn game. It's a play to earn game, which is really good. Everyone likes play to earn games. Who doesn't? Here you can collect Binamons, which are like these creatures right here. They've got different types of stats and stuff like that. Maybe different classes, but right now it's showing like all fire or something, but different colors. So I'm guessing like that's an error. But here you can go to battle, and if you win, or maybe if you lose, actually, you still get something. But if you win, you get Binamon, which is this token right here. So you get some of this, and it's already 57 cents. So since it's 57 cents, if you earn like a whole Binamon, then you've already got 50 cents. And then play and earn. So this is coming soon, which means probably tomorrow because of the launch you just saw on Twitter. So once that launch is out, it's play to earn. So that's good. Battle to earn, which is the game. Stake to earn, something insane I saw on their staking platform kind of thing. It's just insane. And yeah, earned 1.5 million. I'm guessing that's so far from just the staking, So I mean, let's see their staking, their like marketplace and everything. Now this is still like a beta kind of thing version. You can check out their Discord if you're like facing issues. And you click get Binamons, and this will take you to like their D app kind of thing. And it's a little sketchy at first. I would say it's a little sketchy, but I still have faith in this because this is like a pretty big project. You can check out their Twitter. You can see that they got 66k followers. So I'd also say this myself. And here, this is their shop right here. So these are like energy booster, monster booster. These are like things you just buy for like your Binamons basically. And so you'd have to kind of go through the guide, which is right here, the intro, which I'll link down in my description. I've always linked everything for every platform in the description. So yep. Then you got collections, just different types of collections. Now I'm not fully sure how this works because I actually don't own any of them. But if you want to see like anything about here, you can just click on like trades, contracts, play to earn. But so far they haven't introduced this from what I'm seeing, because the game is not even out. But their staking is out, so if you click rewards, you'd be taken to their pools. Now, you guys are already seeing this insanity right now. I mean, look at this, my guy. It's on Binance Smart Chain platform, so yeah. And look at that, 3,836 API, 2,317 API. Now, you guys are gonna be like, oh, maybe Zoo's is gonna happen the same thing like Zoo happened, where it went down, the price of the token went down or something. But I mean, this is a pretty high price token already, which is not pretty high, it's pretty low, I'd say. Actually, not pretty high. And so it's only at 57 cents. Zoo started off with like $3 or something. This never went to like even $1. So I mean, you shouldn't expect something where it just go low so badly. See, it's not even at $1 at some point. I'm gonna try to see if it's actually $1. Nope, it didn't. It's always been at like 80 cents max. So what's stopping it from going higher? I mean, like, if you buy it right now and went higher, you're free to sell. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor. You can just sell it. But I'm not saying do this, do that, you know? This is like a really cool platform, I'm saying. And I mean, I would invest in here. I've already got some in Zoo, some in Mobox, so maybe at some point I'll get some in here. But for now, I'm trying to focus on getting these platforms out to you guys for maximum profit or an increase in the coin. And this is just their staking. So once their game comes out, who knows what's gonna be there. So let's go back into their actual game. So we're gonna have to click again, get Binamons and battle. So battle you can't click, ranking you can't click. And that's really that much for their D-app. But tomorrow, if you're watching tomorrow, you might be a little late to the little spike or something. So if you're watching this today, I mean, I'd invest. I'd say there is a big profit in tomorrow, and you should consider. That's the end of the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Join my Discord, join my Telegram. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. You can ask me questions on my Discord or Telegram. You can discuss with others and etc. So see you guys later.